Hello, everyone. In today's lesson, we will continue to introduce how to use Jianying to make video editing. In the last class, we covered topics such as importing materials, adjusting positions, and deleting content. Now let's continue to preview, and at the same time, we split the video into several shorter videos. Click on one of them and highlight the key content in the screen if we want to crop it. The rotation angle and cropping ratio can be adjusted in the crop window that pops up by clicking the crop button. Then click the drop-down menu behind crop ratio, select the ratio of 16:9 consistent with the ratio of this video, and select the picture to be cropped. At the same time, we also need to pull the progress bar to set the specific video duration and position to be cropped. In addition, we also need to use the editing function in the function area to modify the size of the video. For example, if we want to shrink this video and place it in the upper left corner, we can directly drag the position of the zoom slider or adjust the values on the right side. After completion, simply drag the video to the upper left corner. Once finished, we will need to make adjustments to the video playback speed. Simply click on the S-Speed menu in the functional interface. You can see that there are two options, regular speed change and curve speed change. Here we select a montage and click on the preview of the player. The variable speed function of the video helps us to make some personalized adjustments to the video in the post-production stage. Next, we add animation to the video. By clicking on the animation menu, you can see three types: entrance, exit, and combination. The main animations include zoom in, mosaic, and jitter zoom. By clicking swipe left under the entrance gate, we can see that the video slides in from the left when it is loaded through the player window. After editing the video, we can export the video. After adding the effects, click on the Export button in the upper right corner. In the popped-up Export window, you will see the default title, export location, video resolution, bitrate, format, frame rate, and whether to export audio. Then click the Export button. During the video export process, you need to wait for a moment. After completing the export, in the pop-up Publishing Assistant interface, you can choose to publish to either the TikTok or the watermelon video. Through the above operations, we have finished editing the marketing video. When editing videos, it is important to consider the following 6 elements: information, motivation, composition, camera angles, coherence, and sound. The specific content of each component is as follows. First, information. Information is the content presented to users through the lens, which is visual information and auditory information respectively. Second, motivation. The transition and switching between shots must have a motive behind them. The excessive use of transition effects should be avoided, as it can confuse the viewers visually. Third, composition. Composition means that editors can achieve the best composition effect by adjusting the relationship among the subject, surrounding objects, and background, so that users can quickly obtain the core information in the shot. Fourth, camera angle. For example, where should the camera be placed, how many characters are in the picture, who is the main object of shooting, and how to show the characteristics of the characters. Through a series of angle settings, the best presentation effect can be achieved. Fifth, coherence. When editing each shot material, it is necessary to ensure the stability and coherence of the whole short video content, so that users can have a flowing sense. Sixth, sound. The task of editing sound has 2 parts, namely docking editing and splitting editing. Docking editing means that the editing points of the picture and the sound are consistent. Splitting editing refers to the conversion of the picture before the sound, ensuring a more natural transition of the picture. Through the above methods, can you help the enterprise video designers in the scene to make a marketing video? Let's sum up again. To successfully edit marketing videos with Jianying, we first need to import the videos into the local material library of Jianying, then drag the materials into the timeline panel, and complete the clipping, deletion, scaling, speed change, etc. of short videos with the help of preview of the player interface, and finally export short videos. At the same time, in the process of video editing, it is necessary to combine 6 elements: information, motivation, composition, camera angle, coherence and sound, so as to produce marketing videos with more visual and auditory effects. Okay, everyone, in this lesson, we have learned the specific implementation process of editing marketing videos by using Jianying. I hope that through this lesson, you can correctly master the use of Jianying and independently complete the editing task of marketing videos. It should be noted that when editing marketing videos, we should not only consider the marketing purpose and audience of videos, but also have certain visual aesthetic ability and creative thinking, and be able to express the information and ideas that enterprises want to convey through short videos. That concludes this lesson. Thank you for watching.